we're going to explain how to add an apostrophe in SQL. This is crucial because apostrophes are often part of text data, and SQL uses the apostrophe as a delimiter for string literals. If you try to insert data containing an apostrophe directly, SQL will interpret the apostrophe as the end of the string, leading to errors. There are a few ways to handle this. 1. Escaping the apostrophe. The most common method is escaping the apostrophe by doubling it. This means using two apostrophes, where you want a single apostrophe to appear in your string. For example, if you want to insert the name O'Reilly into a table called Customers with a column named Name, your SQL query would look like this. Insert into Customers, name values, O'Reilly. SQL will interpret it as a single apostrophe within the string. This approach is widely supported across different SQL databases. 2. Using prepared statements or parameterized queries. Prepared statements are a powerful tool for preventing SQL injection vulnerabilities and handling special characters gracefully. Instead of directly embedding the string into your SQL query, you use placeholders, often, or named parameters, and supply the values separately. Database driver handles the escaping of special characters automatically. This is generally the recommended method, particularly when dealing with user-supplied data. For example, in Python with a library like psycopg2 for PostgreSQL, you might have code like cursor execute, insert into customers, name values, %s, O plus Riley. Placeholder handles the apostrophe safely. Similar parameterized query approaches exist for other languages and databases. 3. Using alternative quote characters, if supported. Some database systems allow using different delimiters for strings. For instance, double quotes might be an option if your database supports it. However, this isn't universally supported and consistency is key. Sticking with single quotes is often the safest bet. Always check your database's documentation. 4. Using the quote ident function, specific to some databases. Certain databases offer functions specifically designed to escape identifiers, including those containing apostrophes. For example, PostgreSQL's quote ident function can escape column or table names. This would not directly solve the problem of an apostrophe within a string value, but could be useful for situations where your table or column names contain apostrophes. Remember to always test your queries thoroughly to ensure they work correctly and avoid SQL injection vulnerabilities. The method you choose will depend on your specific database system, programming language, and the context of your application. The use of prepared statements/parameterized queries is generally best practice for security and robustness. Choosing to double the apostrophe is a viable alternative for simpler cases when you're sure the data source is